Hi, this is exercise number 6, Python data types. Today we will learn about built-in data types. In programming, data types is a very important concept. Variables can store data of different type and different type can do different things. In Python have the following data types built in by default in these few categories. We have a text type, okay, which is string. We have numeric types, which is integer, float, and complex. We have sequence type, mapping type, and set type, uh, denoted as list, tuple, range, dictionary, set, and frozen set. All these are considered uh, Python collections. Boolean type like true and false are denoted as bool. Binary types are bytes, byte array, and memory view. Getting the data type, you can use the type function or method to print out the data type of the variable that you have already created. In the first example here, when I print out x and y, it will show um, the data type of x and the data type of y. Okay, so both are type complex. Now here, the complex data type can be used mathematically. And if I choose to print this one, for example, the one that I've just assigned just now, the data type is a class, it's a class range, so this is a bit different. And this is a tuple data type, and this is boolean, right? You can put false here. It's also boolean, and doesn't matter how you put in your variable, it should be able to be assigned to the data type that you've already created, as long as you follow the rules for creating a variable that we have already learned previously in chapter or exercise number 5. In Python, the data type is set when you assign a value to a variable. So these are all an example of data type and how to assign the data type to a variable x. You can try this example later, right? Um, for yourself, right? So that you should be able to understand how each of the data type work. The following code example would print the data type of x, and what data type would that be? For example, in this one, if I execute, the data type will be a frozen set. You can also change this to a list. Sorry, list. When I execute this, immediately it will print as a list, or if I remove this completely, it will be executed as a tuple, right? So this is another example of assigning a list data type and a frozen set data type. So that's it for exercise number 6. Thank you very much.